Welcome back to Deft Rhino. Your each subscribe counts, so please subscribe to our channel, which would motivate us to bring more new videos about walk and earn and earning apps. Moreover, we would be posting about stock market really soon. And talking about the app proof that I am going to give is about growfitter app. You can see I have redeemed a protein shaker for just 49 rupees, which I paid only for the shipping, and the product actually was free. So let me show you the product. Actually, I had kept the product somewhere, but I had a photo of it. Let me show you. So this is how the protein shaker looks like. It has a steady build and it has a matte finish over it. Talking about the product, it was really of high quality, and so you could try the app and you could redeem product real soon. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.